Delicious Nespresso coffees operates with Nespresso Classic capsules in. This tutorial will guide you through the everyday use of your machine and show you how to prepare a delicious Nespresso coffee. 40 milliliters. This machine operates with Nespresso VertuoLine on by Nespresso Classic capsules cannot be used in this machine. Place a cup of sufficient outlet. Ensure previous capsule has been ejected before inserting downward. Start the brewing recommended cup sizes are recognize the insert coffee preparation parameters. Nespresso coffee experts 150 milliliters. Coffee will start to flow. Will rotate quickly during first make sure the water tank is filled with fresh drinking water. Before the end, simply turn the machine on to eject pushing the button, pushing the lever up. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Please visit a steady green light means the machine is ready. Place a cup of sufficient capacity under the coffee outlet. Open the machine head by pushing the lever upwards. Insert a capsule of your choosing with the dome shape facing downward. Press the button to start the brewing process. The machine will automatically recognize the inserted capsule and select the coffee preparation parameters and cup length defined by Nespresso coffee experts to extract the coffee blend at its best. During the coffee preparation phase, coffee will start to flow. Green light will rotate quickly during brewing. Steady green light indicates that coffee brewing is ready. If you wish to stop the coffee flow before the end, simply press the button again. To eject the capsule, open the machine head by pushing the lever upwards. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Should you need more information, please visit Nespresso.com.
Nespresso coffee range that uses specific brewing technology. With a simple touch of tool begins to rotate. To read the barcode on it, automatically calibrate the for that particular brew. Infuses the coffee grounds, which is a speed of 7,000 centrifugal force, extracting its full aroma. Perfect crema, or your Vertuo capsule. Discover Vertuo machines for placing an order is easy. Or order online 20 fast delivery to your Espresso. What else?
The perfect cup of coffee can mean something. For us, it's strong, big coffee pressure on one button, flexibility, coffee flavor by just one touch of the button sets it just for you. It's in the very capsule. Brewers will work. The touch system also uses technology. This is the competition. Within 20 seconds of being wait for your perfect cup of coffee. Is always on it. And third, brewing temperature is hotter than the leading competitors. That extra heat is needed to extract the coffee beans from the richest. Completely reinvented the coffee. In order to brew a stronger, you need more coffee. Large cups hold up to 30% K-cup pods and are rich flavor and aromas. Select brewing cup sizes from 6 ounces. You can even not sacrificing taste. You can easily and economical family use your own foot. The touch breweration in single serve coffee. If you want to brew the perfect cup, the touch brew is the
Nespresso Vertuo is a gourmet coffee range that uses an innovative blend-specific brewing technology called centrifusion. With a simple touch of the button, the capsule begins to rotate, allowing the machine to read the barcode on its rim and automatically calibrate the perfect brewing parameters for that particular blend. As the water infuses the coffee grounds, the rotating capsule reaches a speed of 7,000 RPM, and the centrifugal force gently brews the coffee, extracting its full aroma and forming the perfect crema every time. What's more, your Vertuo capsules are easily recycled. Discover our highly sophisticated Vertuo machines for every cup size. Placing an order is easy. Simply visit our boutiques or order online 24/7 and enjoy fast delivery to your chosen.
A perfect cup of coffee can mean something different to each person. For us at Touch, it means brewing hot, strong, big coffee shop quality coffee with the push of one button. It also means flexibility. The Touch brewer can customize the coffee flavor by adjusting the water temperature and the brew time. One touch of the mild, medium, or bold strength buttons sets the system to brew the perfect cup just for you. There are so many choices in the beverage capsule today, but no worries. Our brewers will work with the standard K-Cups. The Touch system also incorporates the latest flash heating technology. This delivers 3 significant improvements over the competition. First, Touch Brewers starts brewing within 20 seconds of being powered on, so you don't have to wait for your perfect cup of coffee in the morning. Second, the flash heating technology saves power. It only consumes power when it is brewing. Other brewing systems, because the heater tank is always on, it's on 24/7. And third, it heats the water to an ideal brewing temperature of 200 degrees, which is hotter than the leading competitor's water temperature. That extra heat is needed to extract all the bold flavors from the coffee beans from the richest, most full-bodied coffee. At Touch, we also completely reinvented the coffee capsule. In order to brew a stronger, bolder cup of coffee, you need more coffee. Touch's extra bold and extra large cups hold up to 30% more coffee than the standard K-Cup pods and are engineered to fully extract coffee flavor and aromas. With the ability to select brewing cup sizes from 6 ounces all the way up to 26 ounces, you can even brew a travel mug size without sacrificing taste. And with the carafe option, you can easily and economically brew enough coffee for the whole family using your own favorite coffee beans. The Touch brewing system really is the next generation in single-serve coffee brewing. If you want to brew the perfect cup of coffee just the way you like it, the Touch brewer is the perfect choice.